Are you looking for the best walking pad? In this video we will look at some of the best walking pad on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, Dynamax Running Pad. You don't have to call any helpers for installing this treadmill for your room. You can effortlessly install this treadmill without any support and help. You can fold the treadmill according to your use and unfold it for your use. This unique electric walking pad holds a soft gel pad cushion for a smooth experience. The manufacturing of the fold-up treadmill is complete with the help of aluminium alloy. That's why they are powerful and safe for use by any customer on any occasion. They produce noise-free technology while working. You can adapt various speeds by controlling the device. The speed, time, and distance of your workouts get analyzed by the LED Mirage to give feedback. The wireless remote controls the entire functioning of the treadmill to evaluate the rate of workouts for a complete analysis. The hand grips of the treadmill insulate with pads for more convenience in handling this smallest electric treadmill. It also comes up with a rubberized holder for effortless handling. This small treadmill for walking will perplex your exercise and can maintain your health like an expert. This electric folding treadmill makes your slim and beautiful physical dream like a model. You can enjoy your time with your body shape. A treadmill. At number 2, Walking Pad Under Desk Treadmill. If you are a fitness enthusiast, then this is a perfect device that will suit your needs. This walking pad can be placed anywhere right from your home to the office. This stunning machine is a great way to stay fit and healthy while at home. Walking is considered to be the best form of exercise, and you can do exactly that with this device. Now you won't have to travel far along to the gym to stay healthy. Simply invest in this walking pad and stay fit and young as ever. The sports mode offers 2 modes that are automatic mode and remote control mode. Furthermore, one of the most popular features of this device is that the machine is foldable. Hence, this serves as an excellent option for those looking to save space yet invest in such devices. You won't have to compromise on the floor space with this foldable walking pad. It gives you an option to fold it in half. Once you are done using the folding treadmill, you can fold it and keep it under your bed, sofa, or desk. Besides, you also get to control the speed of the walking pad. There are 3 speed modes that you can choose from. The device has a noise-free operation, thus allowing you to exercise without having to disturb anyone around you. At number 3, Goplus 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill. If you are a health lover, believe yourself in workouts, don't miss your food to get fitness, always love to work with them to be a flawless hard worker of the right physique without any fatigue, this tiny treadmill will give you double strength of running and walking. You can adjust the speed of the treadmill for your requirement. Hundreds of customers believe this treadmill as their fitness trainer. This foldable electric treadmill is a great offer to you. The design of the treadmill is so supporting to be a shock-free and noise reduction device. You can take workouts with this treadmill without any disturbance to your near ones. With a 1-year warranty, you can move this treadmill anywhere by folding it. The running belt provided by this small treadmill makes your knees soft and energetic by removing the over-fatigue. The running belt is non-slippy and very secure to provide a safe environment for a walkout with this mini treadmill. At number 4, Anchor Walking Pad. In a fall or winter, when the weather is colder in daylight and it becomes tough to go out for walks or runs, Anchor Under Desk Folding Treadmill can be a soft choice for a workout. Then, provide a customized workout with the ability to go into manual mode to walk at any place in need, tune up ankles, and calf, shin in order to stabilize the board. A perfect apartment size under a desk treadmill, very easy to use, a great asset to weight loss and to experience a variety of fitness goals. Features a balanced board for excellent challenges, multi-layer shielding, ultra-quiet motor with horsepower 2.25 for whisper silence. Has a unique advantage to use it as an under-desk treadmill just to folding it. Enjoy 1 to 4 km per hour running belt speed and 1 to 12 km per hour speed while putting up the handrail. Its noise reduction system is formulated with durable steel and has an anti-slip and anti-static belt with lawn texture to ensure a safe safe and quiet, running with a top speed of 12 km per hour. Fully assembled and easily folded, wheels to roaming around, storage, safety key for shutting down under emergencies, and enormous comfort for back, joints, knees, ankles, and muscles. At number 5, Goplus 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill. Goplus is a great investment to your workout life since it can be easily folded for easy storage. It has a digital remote control system to monitor your workouts suitably, Bluetooth speakers and LED display system. This is a piece of great treadmill equipment to install in your home or office. This treadmill has 2 sport modes for you to switch respectively of your workout. It has a powerful 2.25 horsepower motor with a shock absorption system to reduce impact and increase comfort. It has a LED digital display. It is easy to use. It is a very comfortable home and office treadmill for walking. It can be stored with ease, taking minimum space since it can be folded. It has a Bluetooth speaker and remote control that you can connect to your phone to play music as you walk on the treadmill. So if you want to buy these products, check link in the description box.